Hey friends, so look, I'm currently cooking these fish nuggets that we got from Trader Joe's the other day. As I wait on that, we're gonna throw these in the oven right quick. But guys, I'm about to try these Reese's and Kit Kat colliders that I found at Walmart, I think it was. Hold on, let me set the timer for these, as I do flip them over. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, Biss. Let me grab a spoon, because I'm about to try these today. All right, so we have Reese's Colliders layered peanut butter flavored dessert with rich milk chocolate topping. I got this one, and I got the one that is Kit Kat. It's vanilla flavored dessert with Kit Kat crumbles. So I found these at Walmart the other day. And I want a snack. I want something sweet. So we're gonna try these. Oh, they come in little cups too, child. And then tonight we're gonna have those fish nuggets, and I'm making some chicken and noodles, egg noodles, something easy, but I love it. And that's the Reese's one. I don't know which one to try first. Let's go with the Reese's. Ooh. Okay, I used to lick the top, but I'm not gonna do that, okay? All right, so look. There's chocolate at the top, of course, and peanut butter. Bon appetit. I hope it make my taste buds pop. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. It tastes like, you remember back in the day when we was coming up, your mom gave you a pudding cup, the chocolate one, with the light chocolate in it, just like that with Reese's. When I tell y'all, this is a rebuy, Reese's. Oh. Child, I done forgot about the Kit Kat one. All right, so this one here is vanilla pudding, and it has crumbles in here. That Reese's, baby. But man, baby, that Reese's good. I hope this one here makes my taste buds pop like that Reese's though. All right. Stir it up a little bit. Okay, y'all. It looks like that now. All right, let's see. Okay. It's giving vanilla ice cream with Kit Kat, little crumble. But listen, look, that Reese's one, for me, this one is good too, don't get me wrong. If you are a vanilla girl and you love vanilla, you'll like that one. But that chocolate, it just do something to me. My friend. Rebuy. Get this.